During our birdwatching expeditions in the mountains of Azad Kashmir, patience is often rewarded with extraordinary moments. In these misty Himalayan forests, we wait quietly, allowing nature to reveal its secrets. On this occasion, a flock of Rufous Sibias broke the silence with a chorus of alarm calls. These striking Himalayan songbirds, with their rufous orange plumage and bold black caps, are usually lively and social. But today, their restless chatter signaled something unusual. Hidden among the branches sat the collared owlet, the smallest owl of the Himalayas, yet a formidable predator. Despite its size, it hunts small birds, lizards, and insects with precision. One of its most remarkable features is the pair of false eyes on the back of its head, a clever adaptation that confuses both prey and potential threats. The Sibias, after their initial outburst, eventually left the collared owlet alone. Calm and unbothered, the little owl remained perched on the branch, its sharp eyes now fixed on movements along the forest floor, scanning for unsuspecting rodents. The collared owlet, despite being the smallest owl of the Himalayas, is a skilled and fearless predator. It feeds on small birds, rodents, lizards, and large insects, often hunting during the day, unlike most owls. Its preferred habitats are dense Himalayan forests, pine, oak, and mixed coniferous woodlands, where thick cover offers both protection and hunting opportunities. With its sharp eyesight and swift movements, this tiny raptor plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of forest ecosystems. Such encounters capture the essence of the wild, a delicate balance of fear and resilience, played out high in the Himalayan canopy.